Introducing Singapore's #1 PSLE Math problem solver.
Master the grouping method, your key to unlocking PSLE Math success.
Ready to dive into the question and discover how Singapore's #1 problem solver unlocks it? Let's go. Before we solve it, let's break down the question together.
An artist painted 2 different shapes on a rectangular wall. She divided the upper half of the wall into equal parts of 6 meters and painted 5 hearts in each part, as shown in Figure 1. She then divided the lower half of the wall into equal parts of 7 meters and painted 8 stars in each part, as shown in Figure 2. She painted a total of 913 hearts and stars on the wall. How many more stars than hearts were painted on the wall? Time to get to the bottom of this. What's the question telling us? Hey, if this video was a lifesaver for you, why not hit that subscribe button? Your likes and shares keep us super motivated to produce more awesome content to help students conquer their PSLE. Let's go and solve it. The logic behind the solution. This is a grouping heuristics question where the key is to find a common unit of measurement. While the parts are not of equal size, the total length of the upper and lower halves of the wall are equal. This allows us to create a group based on the total length of the wall, which in turn helps us find the total number of shapes. The upper half of the wall is divided into parts of 6 meters, and the lower half is divided into parts of 7 meters. Since the total length of both halves is the same, we need to find a length that is a common multiple of both 6 meters and 7 meters. The lowest common multiple, or LCM, is the most efficient. This means that for every 42 meters of the wall's length, a predictable number of hearts and stars are painted. This 42-meter section is our group for calculation.
Now let's find out how many shapes are painted in this 42-meter group.
Hearts. Number of 6-meter parts in 42 meters equals 42 divided by 6 equals 7 parts. Stars. Number of 7-meter parts in 42 meters equals 42 divided by 7 equals 6 parts. Number of hearts in this group equals 7 parts times 5 hearts per part equals 35 hearts. Number of stars in this group equals 6 parts times 8 stars per part equals 48 stars. So, our 42-meter group contains a total of 35 hearts and 48 stars, which means a total of 83 hearts and stars. The problem states that a total of 913 hearts and stars were painted. We can use this total to find out how many of our 42-meter groups are on the entire wall. Total number of groups equals 913 divided by 83 equals 11 groups. The question asks for the difference between the total number of stars and hearts. First, let's find the total number of hearts and stars in 11 groups. Total number of hearts, 35 times 11, equals 385. Total number of stars, 48 times 11, equals 528. Now, we subtract to find how many more stars than hearts are on the wall. 528 subtract 385 equals to 143 more stars than hearts were painted on the wall. Do you want to know the secret? Check the caption. Thank you for tuning in. Share your thoughts.